You can also enhance the game using sound effects. Sounds and music bring your game to life by adding realism and, in the case of music, emotional intensity to the game. We'll enhance our spaceship sprite by adding a rocket sound that's played when the thrust button is pressed. To create our rocket sound effect, we'll use the computer microphone and Scratch sound editor. Click the rocket ship sprite to go to its code workspace. Click the Sounds tab. This displays the sound effects editor. Hover over the Choose a Sound button and select Record. Click the Record button and make your rocket noise. Click the Stop Recording button. Click Save. And lastly, change the name of the sound to Rocket. Now use the sound editing tools to trim the sound. The thicker the graph is, the louder the sound. So click where the sound starts to get loud and drag the mouse back to the beginning. That section of the graph will be highlighted in purple. Click the Delete icon to remove the highlighted section from the recording, and then do the same at the end of the graph. Now create a thread that plays the rocket sound when the space key is pressed. Click the Code tab, click Events, and drag the When Space Key Pressed icon to the script workspace. Then click Sound, and add the Play Rocket Sound Until Done icon to the thread. Now use the code parts below to create a thread that stops the rocket sound when the space key is not pressed, using these code parts. Note that the Not block is found in the Operators menu. Pause the video now to try it yourself, or let it play to see the solution. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.